Isang malungkot na balita, pumanaw na ang ina ng actress-singer na si Carol Banawa na si Ginang Celine Banawa matapos makipaglaban sa sakit na cancer. Ibinahagi ni Carol ang malungkot na balita nitong nakaraang May 17 sa pamamagitan ng Instagram post kalakip ang kanilang black and white photo. Last night, our beloved mama passed away peacefully in her sleep, surrounded by the people who loved her most. Our hearts are broken, and we already miss her more than words can ever express, simulang pagbabahagi ng dating kapamilya star. Pagpapatuloy ni Carol, we will miss the way she could light up a room simply with her presence. We will miss her laughter, her stories, her warmth, and the love she gave so freely to everyone around her. She had one of the kindest hearts, humble, generous, selfless, and always thinking of others before herself. No matter what she went through, her trust and faith in God never wavered. She carried herself with so much grace, strength, and love, and she touched so many lives because of it. Paglalarawan pa niya sa namayapang ina. Durug na durug man ang puso, naniniwala ang singer na nasa maayos at mapayapang lugar na ang ina tulad ng kanyang ama at kapatid. But now, Mama, you finally get to rest. Now you get to be with Papa and Kuya again, the two people you loved and missed so dearly. While we grieve deeply here on earth, we also find peace and joy knowing that you are now with our Lord Jesus Christ, whom you love with all your heart. Dugtong niya. Mensahe pa niya, "Do not worry about us, Mama. We will be okay. You raised us with so much love, strength, faith, and resilience, and we will continue to do our best to make you proud every single day. So this is not goodbye. Until we all see each other again, please give Papa and Kuya the biggest hug from all of us. We love you so much, Mama, forever and always." Saad pa ng nagluluksang aktres. Bumuhos naman ang mensahe ng pakikiramay para sa pamilya ni Carol, kabilang na ang mga kaibigan niyang celebrity. Nauna rito, nagpost si Carol sa Instagram tungkol sa pinagdaraanan ng kanyang nanay. "I never thought I would see you in this state. You were always so vibrant, so kikay, always wanting to look your best, always so put together with your clothes, your makeup, and your perfume. You always smelled so good and carried yourself with so much grace and warmth. And now, watching you slowly waste away as the cancer takes over your body is one of the most painful things we have ever had to endure. Ang sakit-sakit, Mama. Ang hirap-hirap makita ka na ganito. But deep inside, we also know that you are getting close to finally being free from all the pain and suffering. Malapit mo nang makasama sina Papa at Kuya," anya pa. Sa Amerika na ngayon, naninirahan si Carol na naging bahagi ng Star Magic Batch 4 ng ABS-CBN. Nagtatrabaho siya ngayon doon bilang Registered Operating Room Nurse.